Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Emily and I am a pyrography artist, or a woodburner as I like to say. I'd also like to say that this is my first ever YouTube video, so I'm so happy you're here, and bear with me as I work out these kinks. To begin, I must tell you a little bit about me. This video won't be much about what I'm doing on the wood, but I will probably do another video with these clips to show you what I'm actually doing. I'm a newbie at this, so we'll be learning this all together. But before you can trust me in any way with what I'm doing on the wood, you have to know a little bit about me as a person. To start off, I'm a bit of a nerd. I love all things fantasy, sci-fi, dystopian, you name it. I love Star Wars, Harry Potter, Hunger Games, Left Behind, fairy tales, Narnia, Lord of the Rings, Disney, Marvel, and way too much to list. It's also my favorite thing to burn, and you'll notice that pretty fast if you stick around. I also love music, so don't be alarmed if when you're watching a video you see me bebopping to a random song in the background or moving my lips like I'm talking to the open air around me. I'm definitely just singing along. Music and art is something that I thrive off of in life and stuff I've grown up with forever. And most importantly, I love Jesus. I am an avid follower of Jesus Christ, my Lord and Savior, and I aim to honor him in all that I do. I couldn't have made this without him, and it would be so wrong to exclude him from it. But anyways, I hope that you come back to this channel and that we can learn to do this thing together. I have big plans for the future, and I can't wait to take you along with me. But that's all for now.